Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourselves. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. Strength is life, weakness is death. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Believe in yourself, and the world will be at your feet. The mind is everything. What you think you become. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. The power of concentration is the secret of self-mastery. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. What we think, we become. When you are doing any work, do it with all your heart and soul. Do not wait for anybody or anything. Do whatever you can. Build your hope on none. It is not the number of prayers you say, but the feeling you put into them that matters. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. The greatest sin is to think yourself weak. You cannot dream yourself into a character. You must hammer and forge yourself one. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. The difference between the possible and the impossible lies in a person's determination.